Hi everyone, my name is Devika Mathur and today I'm bringing you watercolor workshop titled Colorful Sunset. This workshop is brought to you by Vasa Festival 2024 in partnership with Akisa. Let's start. So we will be using watercolors and I will be showing you on this paper. To start a landscape, first thing we have to do is to draw a line of horizon. So I want to keep like 1/3 of the paper there for the sky, and I'm going to draw just one line which is dividing our land and the sky. This is called our line of horizon. And then I want some land area. So our land area is here. That's about the drawing part. And to start painting, we would need these kind of brushes. So we would need like a flat brush, and I have these two round brushes. And of course, we would need is like a water container and watercolors. So I'm starting with a bright or orange color, bright yellow and orange. This is what I want to do. This is a bright lemon yellow. This is what is something which is closer around our sunset time, and I want to do this a little in our water too for our reflections. It also gives a very nice background to our main object, which is a tree, like maybe a number of trees there. And then other than that, what colors I want to add is a little bit of orange. So I'm just doing these random lines, and they would be here in water and in the sky. And of course, now I'm clearing the brush with the clear brush. I'm just going to merge these colors together. The lines we had drawn, sometimes we do see lines in the sky. So the whole idea is to not to leave any white spaces and fill up our sky with these bright colors, reminding us of our beautiful summer sunsets. And of course, I'm trying to fill up all the white spots I have left. After this, I'm going to do the same for my water here in the, this is our water. So I'm going to add maybe a darker blue or a purple for our sky. And I'm just merging the colors here. And now comes our purple. So I'm adding a little bit of orange to our purple to make it more easier to tone. From this, it can go to a darker purple. And I have left some area here, and I'll merge it later with our empty brush. It is somehow always easier to merge with when our brush is empty, so it just merges these colors together easily. We have layers now in the sky. And sometimes it's easier to make some clouds when we have to merge them. Look at that. I love that topmost color what we have. And now we can sort of make some clouds if you want to somewhere. There. I'm just taking a little bit of orange and making some circular motions for our clouds. Just have to go a little circular and then we stretch it. Circular and stretch. And then we need those colors again for the water. You can have some small shrubs or something here. I'm trying to fill up all the areas which are left white. Sort of filling up and leaving some color darker at times. See, all I'm still doing with my this flat 4 number brush. So sometimes you just get comfortable with one brush, and there are artists who can do everything with just one brush. We would change our brush later. Just trying to add our purple somewhere in the center here, in the corners, and I've sort of filled up the area now. This is our water. Now we have a land area and where our trees can run, which are our centerpiece. So now, because it's a sunset, so our trees and this land area is going to be like really dark. So maybe we can use as a dark purple or something, dark brown right now for the land area, and I'm making it more darker with a black, a little touch of black here and a brown. And then sometimes it's a chaos to look at, but it will make a sense in some time. And now for the trees, what I'm going to do is I have a black in this corner, and I'm going to just first draw a straight line for where my tree is going to come. So a tree somewhere here. So this is the bark. What it means is that it has to be a little thicker from the bottom. And then we keep dividing it to make branches. We can have a branch coming out from here as well. We can have another tree here. This could be a Canadian summer evening. You've gone for a walk, and on this hilly area, you're watching the sunset. And you can see so many colors, and how we just are dividing, to make the effect of our trees. So I'm just letting it quickly. We just have a little bit of time to finish the tree branches right now. Tree leaves actually. So I'm again joining our purple and orange to create this amazing color to fill up our tree. So this is our first tree, which is all bright with the colors of the sunset. And the same colors are going to come in this one as well, which is the lower end. This is the same thing I'm going to use for the secondary as well. So this is what we did quickly for our landscape, and we can finish something in a jiffy. And like whatever black is left, we can add a little bit of a grass on our shadow. And of course, an artist should never forget to sign the artwork. So when you're about to end, you have to just sign your artwork and it's done. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time. Bye bye.